Bonnie. Happy Monday. I am back on this very warm spring day. Oh my gosh, the sun is shining. It's like 65 degrees. I am feeling it. I also had a package on my door from Bath and Body Works, and I wanted to talk about this. Yes, and I actually missed a new online product that showed up today. So it's very confusing. I went to new, featured, and then I sorted by new. The single wick candles did not show up today. I just saw those. So there are four new single wicks now online. They're 2 for $20, which is not a very good deal. Sweet tea and lemonade, which I've been talking about a lot. I like that one. The new fresh watermelon, which I think smells like coastal watermelon. It is fabulous. Like wonderful fresh watermelon scent, not overly candy like. The summer boardwalk, which is kind of like a caramel corn candy apple or caramel apple. The scent notes are caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy, apples, and sweet salty cream. It's a classic at Bath and Body Works. It's a little bit different than the sugar cone crunch, which did not show up today. So, like I said, there's like a little bit of a weird mishmash going on. And then we have Oceanside Lavender in the purple jar, which is wild lavender, sweet sandalwood, and calming waves. So, that stuff showed up online today. We're going to talk about the Restore Magnesium Body Lotion. This is in the collection like the Coco Shea. We've got the water collection, that kind of rice milk. There's a whole collection of these. The packaging is not very exciting, I gotta say. There's also a body butter. I don't know. I'm just not loving the packaging. So what is this? What does this smell like? That's what I want to know. It's supposed to smell like woody, warm cherry. I got the lotion during the $5.95 sale. Although these were not $5.95 yesterday. I don't think they were included. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure, but I don't think they were. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of this on, and we're going to see what this is like. It's a thinner formula. This is the lotion. It's not the body cream. Okay, this does not smell like cherry, you guys. So if you were wondering, it's like I kind of expected it to smell like cherry first with like a little bit of woodsy note. It barely has any scent. I tend to like magnesium products because it does make your skin feel good, and you feel like I like magnesium and like bath salt. So I'm assuming maybe the body wash. It says restores skin to feeling clean and refreshed, formulated with magnesium to help condition skin, paired with other restore products to create the perfect restorative nighttime self-care routine. Again, I like magnesium. I like the Dr. Teal's lavender. I gotta say, this is really disappointing. I'm not liking this scent like at all. I smell the cherry a touch more, like 1% more in the body wash, but I don't know. I'm not like feeling it. It's okay. There's a tiny bit of cherry and a little bit of wood, but if you were looking for a more cherry scent with this, I'm actually disappointed. It's woody and warm cherry. Warm cherry to me is going to smell like almost like a black cherry merlot, something that's just rich and vibrant and very fruity. And I'm not getting anything. Actually, like the lotion barely smells, and it's not cherry at all. Like a very very light cherry in this. So not loving it, not loving it. Hoping that True Blue Spa's coming out because this is not my thing. So anyway, I wanted to share that with you in case you were thinking about buying this or you actually bought it. It might still work. I'm going to use it. We'll see if I get like that magnesium effect with it. But I just wanted to share, like I said, the updated single wick candles that are now online, 4 new ones. But again, we're not having a single wick candle sale today. So it's not that not that big of a deal. Anyway, I will see you guys a little bit later. I hope everyone is having a warm and wonderful Monday. I gotta say, the sky is beautiful. It is bright blue and it is feeling very, very spring-like. I know some trees are coming out today, so that was good too. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.